So here we have a dinosaur train world, and it has your little instructions on how to build. We will be building the train. And so for the first piece, you will need the one with 6 of these holes, and then you'll need your little tires and your screwdriver. So in the 4 corners you put in, and then he will screw it in. Yeah, screw.
No, like that.
Right here.
Yeah?
Come on. Other way. Yeah, there you go. Just screw regular screws into this. You will need this piece for your front of your train. And then you have your little headpiece with his little hair. And you will need your long screw for it to come through, and then screw the top in. Here, screw. Mm-hmm. Yes. Good job.
Mommy, gone.
So right now you will have this all together, and your next piece is you will need this back part for his body, and your top piece, you'll place it right on top here, and then you just need to screw these pieces. And so here you go, screw some more. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
So these 4 pieces will be screwed in, and then you will line up this where his feet are hanging in the back, and there's this screw with this piece even smaller, and you will place it through, and that'll be another screw to screw in. Yeah, screw it. And so we put his piece right on top. And now for these pieces, you will screw the 4 wheels in again. Come on, screw them in. Junior. The remainder of these 4, you will just put in all these tires, and then you will take these pieces after you have completed this, and you will have some more of the smaller space screw, and
Mommy,
you will line it up and screw in the bottom to keep it hold. Go ahead, turn it. The other way. And so you will have your little train cubby to link them all up to the front of the train. You have this too, and you just link it. And you have your dinosaur pieces, and then we're going to line them up. Look, put them on. Put them on top, like this.
Mommy, stop.
And so we have the train all set up. Go ahead, show them the train. Say, look. Say thank you for watching.
I like it.